Want to know how to enable or disable Find My Device feature on your Samsung Galaxy A25? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and scroll down until you'll find a tab which is named Google. Click on it, and on this tab, we would need to find this widget with Find My Device. Click on it, and to enable this feature, we would need to click on the slider until it will turn blue. But if you would like to otherwise disable it, click on it once more, and this feature will be disabled. Now, let me tell you a little bit how to find your phone if it's lost. For that, we would need to download the Google Find My Device, and here we would need to log into our account, the same account that you have on your phone. So I have mine account here, and the Find My Device is enabled on this account. So I'll click continue, enter my password, and click sign in. Here you'd be able to see full list of all devices that are connected to this Google account. And as you can see here, for example, let's choose any random device. You'd be able to see its location on the map, and also you can play sound, which means that if you will click on this button, this device will play a loud sound so you can hear it and find it by sound. But if you think that your device gets stolen, you can click secure device, and here you can read how it works. And this is it. Your device will be locked and the robber won't be able to do anything with it. And this is it. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.